What is up, guys? What's the tea? So today we are playing Airplane Story. We're going on a vacation finally, because we only do that once a year. Time to go to Great Wolf Lodge. Serena, you ready?
Yeah.
I heard on the reviews that it said that it was the best airport.
I hope it's not.
One of them said there was a monster on board. I don't know what they're talking about.
I hope this one is not gonna have monster in it.
Whatever. Let's just go because there's probably no monster. Just getting that because they probably didn't serve pizza. Probably getting mad because they don't serve. Probably getting mad because they don't serve sandwiches.
I hope.
Actually, there's no people in this one. Let's leave.
Yeah. I read it.
Hey, leave. There we go.
I did.
Which one?
This one.
Good. I don't let that guy go. Jay.
Okay, just gotta walk up. It's mine.
Ooh, first class.
I'm going to walk on Ava's seat. I know Ava's seat is mine. Just going to walk on Ava's seat.
I need to.
I look you saw my seat.
Found mine.
I can't find mine.
8. D8. So here's yours. That's yours.
I did not.
This actually looks like a pretty nice view.
Oh yeah. Wait,
Oh, now we can get ours.
Where is the us?
We're still on. I like first class. What's going on?
Where is the us?
Hey, it's the cat. Hey. FBI, open up.
Where are the scissors?
I found scissors.
Oh. I hope there's not going to be a bomb on any people.
Of course.
Better sit down!
I'm right next to the window.
Some people
That's what I like.
cannot see. Oh my god! Oh, people said order.
Are we taking off?
Yeah. Okay, we can take our
Are we
seats. Wait, where are the scissors?
Thank you for your cooperation.
Wait, but where are the scissors?
Over here. Come on.
Okay. What?
A snack!
Why is the scissors? Sit down. Sit down.
Why do we have to sit?
So that we don't get in trouble. Wait, Bella, you don't eat the sandwiches, you store that poison. You do eat the sandwiches, you store that poison. Where's my seat then? I said that.
Ew, they serve. I guess it must have been pizza. I want pizza. Where's my pizza?
I got sandwiches.
I'm gonna eat it.
No, don't eat it. One that must be allergic to mayo. I think.
I'm not.
She's.
I'm not feeling very well.
Is she allergic to mayo?
Wait, this sandwich has mayo?
Oh, she's allergic to mayo. She's allergic to mayo.
What do you mean? You're evil. Why are you just walking around?
Go big. I see.
Where is it?
I'm looking.
Up here somewhere. I found it. No, not. Mom, where is it?
There's so many bags.
Which one is it?
And that was mine.
Yeah, that's yours. How do you know?
Because it got a setting.
Oh, she found it!
Because
You're saved! Why is there gibberish? Oh, that's the wrong person. Oof, that was close. Yeah, it was. You almost died. Oof. Sure, why not?
when I played this game last time, I was allergic to mayo.
Okay, just ignore that.
I'm not eating the sandwiches.
Why not?
Because I think
It's dark.
I think I got told.
No, you're not.
I gotta go sleep.
Good night, passengers.
I gotta sleep. I don't even care.
Oh, we're stretching our legs.
Okay,
I'm
guys.
going in first class. I'll buy that upgrade. Get up.
No. I stretched my legs.
Oh!
Okay, sit down.
What is that? Maybe that was what the complaint
Maybe the
was.
power went
Because
out.
we lost energy.
Maybe the power went out.
Okay, let's get another sheet. I'm
Okay,
scared.
okay.
I'm scared. Why is it dark all of a sudden? Oh, yeah.
It better not be Spy Snakes.
Guys, look. What is that?
Stand on the seat.
What is that?
Is that monster?
What is that?
Monster?
What is that?
That's.
You guys can all see that.
Stand on the chair. Stand on the chair.
Not. What is this? Oh,
You will not survive.
those?
You will not survive.
I hate snakes. Get up.
Okay. One.
Is that the snake?
Yeah.
Are those the snakes? Why are they so goofy looking? Hopefully they don't get my tail.
They will.
They won't.
What?
Ah, the weird snakes here. Oh!
Did people die?
Oh, I hope not. Let's dance while we wait, even though I don't think everyone survived.
Yeah.
Why is there snakes on there? Wouldn't the snakes just crawl under?
Yeah.
Oh! 3 people died.
Sweet people died. They decided. This is a
Hey, no swearing.
This is a bad airplane.
Yeah.
Oh wait.
Now I think I understand what it said about monsters. Because what was that?
Is that? I saw it was an airplane monster.
There's a toilet.
Oh, I think that's an airplane monster. Excuse me. Anyone don't look like go and poop.
What is that?
I went poop.
Why is there happy music and 3 people just died?
Wait, Bella, you press on the green button when people die. You can respawn them with Robux.
The power is back up, okay.
Okay.
Oh, the plushie! Can I?
Everybody go to sleep.
And those snakes are gone. Thank God.
When they swallow your snakes that
Oh,
came,
can I jump out the window?
jump out the window.
There's also...
Oh, and Bella.
What? What's the good news and bad news?
What's the good news? Tell me the good news.
The good news is the power is back up.
What's the bad news?
Yeah, what's the bad news, Captain? The bad news. We are losing some kind of oxygen.
Okay, just stay peoples. Just stay other peoples.
Oh my God!
Oh, I got one.
I got it.
We were stealing.
Why would you act so happy if we're losing oxygen?
Yeah. He's gonna die. He's not. He's gonna just.
No! No!
Oh. No, I don't want to revive her.
Why do you not care? Why are you still smiling? Why?
You happy? You
Okay.
happy that?
Yeah, like 4 people have died on this point. I regret being here. What is that? What is that?
Baby shark on for her.
Fine. Hey, Sarah, they're making a video. Wow.
Thank you.
They're making a video. Oh no, okay, we got found it. Found it. I love dancing and for What do you mean? I found it. Which paper should we go? Never read. I will cut the blue paper.
No.
Oh no.
It was blue.
Thank goodness. Why does the captain not care? Why is our happy music. The music.
Some people died.
Yeah, 4 people have died on this trip. Or 5, maybe. There's only 3 people left.
3 people
4
died.
4 people left.
3 people died. And now there's only some people.
Yeah.
And the captain is happy about it.
I found them.
Okay, let me just get
They're unconscious.
They get on and I am going to sleep.
I will.
Oh!
It's locked.
I just got scared. Yeah, this is
Something is happening inside. The captain might be in trouble.
Let's take on him? No, do not take on him, the captain. He was happy about people dying.
We gotta find it. We gotta find it.
Tell you what,
Maybe it's in here.
what's this? What's this room? What are we looking for?
We're looking for a code.
Code.
What could the code be?
I think I know.
Where?
Let's just look anywhere.
But you said you knew.
What? I found it!
Found it?
Huh? Look it. See?
5962. 5962. Maybe we gotta press it. 5962. Yeah, yeah. 5962.
Hey, good job, Bella.
No
That's why I
problem.
said I might know where it is.
Okay. It's the creature! No. You will pay for what you've done. What do you mean? You tried to kill us with snakes last time. You think you are here on accident? But you're not. Amen. Yeah, of course. We asked to be here. I wanted to go to Great Wolf Lodge. You did not bring me either. Myself. That's not possible. Yes. Clever. You get the idea. We all wanted to go somewhere. It is. And now it's time. What do you need? How are we still not? Why do we still need this mask? How you spell danger? Oh no! Wake up, you idiot! Oh, the cap. Where's the autopilot? Yeah, of course it is.
I don't know what to do. I'm doing nothing. I think I got explode this airplane. I just got to go to Great Rock. And now we're classing.
That's what I just said. Oh.
It's inside it.
Clicking me.
Press. I press it.
No.
I just gotta press
Autopilot should be here.
I just press it.
Maybe autopilot here. Press. Everyone press all the buttons. Oh, I found the button. You found the button. Selena, you're here.
Oh, the side place we got to class.
I just want to be home already. But I want to go to Great Wolf Lodge.
Yeah. I'm scared. I don't
What?
Still making a video?
Yeah, you just interrupted.
How long is this video?
It's a story.
You just put the thing in for it?
Okay, so I think that's it.
Plane.
You're driving the plane.
Yes.
Hello? We need help! Our captain is unconscious!
How are they talking in on our car?
Make sure you don't crash the plane.
Okay, well,
Yeah, we all die.
okay.
How do you know how? Okay, I got this. You are 4 years old. I mean 5. How do you know how to drive a plane?
I took a plane.
What?
I got
Ah! It's the weird!
What do I do?
Oh no! last time you'll see me. Actually, it is, because I'm going to kill you. Yeah, it is. He just farted. It's gone. Wait, you said it was not the last time you would see him. Well, he's not here. He's not here with me. Who cares? It's the home run. I'm about to throw. Yes, I am.
What do you want?
Okay, I'm good now.
Want this one? This one or this one?
Okay, well, guys, I guess we did it.
How about
Thanks
this
to Serena, who's a 5-year-old, and knows how to fly a plane.
one? Up here?
Wait, didn't we have the autopilot on?
This?
So
Okay.
we went.
Which
So
one?
we didn't
This
have
one?
to go to Grandma Swan's. And
Maybe we
This
did.
one?
We all died.
Anyways, bye,